Hello, good morning, everyone. We have started the session here. Let me start with the market analysis. Market is going down sharply, which is a good thing, but market continues to be in downtrend. Last two daily candles are red for Nasdaq. I have it's nicely red in color. Trend color is red, nice red. In 2-minute chart, also it's going down. So don't have to look at any other chart. The only challenge here I have is, even at 15-second, on 15-second chart, the ATR is very high. This is not the ATR I like. This is not the ATR I prefer. So I want to wait for the market to cool down. We can make a very good profit here, but I should better trade micros, MNQ, rather than NQ. So I'm going to wait for some time and see, let the market cool down. The reason is that if a trade goes against me, I want to be able to handle it comfortably. So I'm going to wait before I take any trades. So I'm going to in this market, default trade will be the best trade. See here, a very high number. R number is very high. In this trade, I don't want to take trades. I can be lucky, most of like half the time or 60% of the time I'll be lucky. See here, if I've taken the trade, it would have been profitable. So here the skip dot is here. It would have been a trade. Since I did not turn the short button on, the trade did not take place. Otherwise, it would have been a nice trade. See here, the caution, the software is showing an indication, market stretched, stop taking default and trend trades or reduce quantity. So maybe it's time for me to reduce quantity. Maybe I should show some trades using reduce quantity. Let's see if I could do that. So those who are watching at least can see some trades happening. So let me change it to MNQ here, micros, and MNQ here. Chart is loading. It looks like it's stuck somewhere. Oops. Screen is stuck for some reason. Let me wait. Shoot. You may have to use a different window. Let me try that. So I'm trying to load a different window. Let me see if that works, because this screen seems to have stuck, not responding. Okay, so this is another chart. Let me move to new window. So, okay, the previous one also came back on. Okay, let's see. This seems to be working now. So this is it's falling like there is no gravity. There is no. It's in market is in free fall. Let me see which account I want to trade. Two. So MNQ. Let's see. Let me work with this one. Still 15. Its ATR is very, very high. So it's not too comfortable trading in this, but let me see. There was some pullback here, and market will perhaps continue. Some sideways movement. It fell nicely. Market condition number 5 here, and then a bit of sideways movement. So even contrarian, if I take contrarian, I need to some pullback on the upside. This is too high. I would rather sit on my hands than trade. This doesn't look good at all. My sweet spot is, as some of you may know, it's between 6 and 8. I'm okay with 10, 11, but 15 is way, way beyond. So I'm going to just show some trades with MNQ. It's not going to be great trades, where with one contract you can hardly make anything. But I'm going to show you something. So let me, I'll wait for one more bar and then show you the contrarian trade. I'll resume taking default trades when the price crosses below this line, this swing. This is swing indicator. If anyone wants to know what indicator this one is, these dotted lines. These dotted lines are basically swing indicator. So I'm turning default on. So one contract. This is just to show some people how the software works. With one contract of MNQ, we won't be making much, but see, continuously we are getting the warning: market stretch, stop taking default and trend rates or reduce quantity. So I have reduced quantity. That's why I've reduced the quantity, and market continues to fall. So this is a good time to take trend trades actually. If anybody is interested in showing. So one trend trade, and then that was a profitable trade, $2.78. I know in a very small, in big scale scheme of things, but I just wanted to show how the trend trades work. Trend trades work when market is trending, pushing down. It's like a breaking the low of the previous candle continuously. That's a time to take trend trades. I rarely use this style, but the way the market is behaving, like this is a really big trend, downtrending market. So, and in fact, ATR is going up. When the market goes down, usually, almost always ATR tends to go up. So I will take trend trades and show you guys how it works. So one more trade happened. Trade got placed here at this point, and target filled. So ideally I wouldn't trade at all in this, but since I'm doing a live session, I wanted to show how the software works, how we trade. That's why I have turned trend trades on, ignored the warning. In fact, I kind of followed the warning as well, because its warning says reduce quantity, and I reduce quantity. That's why I'm not trading NASDAQ. In fact, I could trade with 3 contracts, but I just don't want to risk anything. So one more. So trend trades work fine. It's just to tell you how trend trades work. So 3 profitable trades. So this profit that we are making is insignificant. This is just this just time to use this time to learn how the software behaves. So as I had mentioned, once price crossed this level, I would have been comfortable taking the trade. It's too difficult a market to trade in, as we see. So this 4th trade was also profitable. So if we traded with NQ, we would have made $140 by now. This $11 you see would have been $142 by now. But this is a great, I would say this should be taken as a great lesson as to when not to trade, or when to trade with the reduced quantity. So you're getting profit so fast. These are so fast, immediately within a second or two we are making profit. If you had traded with M&Q, I would have made decent profit in last 4 minutes. In last 4 minutes, I would have made close to $150 or more than that. But there is a reason why we follow this discipline, uh, uh, because we want to be consistent. We don't need to be profitable every day, or we don't need to be making money every day. Some days could be, 0 days, or this, I would consider this as 0 day, um, a no income day. But important thing is to recognize this kind of market and stay away and not trade. I kind of virtually not trading. It's just even this, if the market goes against me, I could be, incurring 50, 60, $100 of loss. So that's why, which is, which is not good. What loss, deliberately making loss, is not good. So 5 trades is no 5 winning trades is a good winning trade, a good streak. $150 we would have made if we had traded NQ. The real magic, as I explained, happens when you have multiple paid accounts. When you have multiple paid accounts, you need to aim for smaller profits per account, because you can trade parallelly across all accounts. We can recommend a trade copier when you are at that stage. You use a trade copier and copy trades from one account to the other accounts, and that way you gain profits. You make profits. So market has pulled above this, and let me see. I'm going to take a look at 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart, still price is well below 21 SMA. So no way I'm going to think of long trades at this moment. I'll be doing, if at all, contrarian trades, and I'll wait for the pullback to. So okay, let me show you this chart as well. So this is 2-minute chart. In 2-minute chart, price is pulling back to 21 SMA. Here it's pulling back to 21 SMA. So once it's close to 21 SMA is when I will think of taking new trades, because I can take long trades till it reaches 21 SMA. Here I can turn on long. I would have gotten a couple of contrarian trades. If I turn default on, I would get some trades, long trades, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm not going to do that because it's a downtrending day. So let's take a look at these two charts. It's a good super scalper kind of situation here. I can turn super scalper on, and I could find a trade here. But let me not confuse those who are new with too many strategies. We'll stick to default or contrarian only. Seems to be a non-consequential day. This one, I don't think I can trade. NQ ATR has gone up even higher. It's 17 now. So this kind of market, absolutely no trading at all. So I should be just happy with this $13 buy a coffee at Starbucks and call it a day. I could. It's 9:15 Central. I will check after 10 o'clock to see if there is any cooling down in ATR. I want it below 12 to be able to be comfortable trading um, with bigger contracts. So this is a good, in any other day, this would have been a decent um, long trading uh, pattern. This would have been a very good place to take long trades, but I'm not taking it today because it's a downtrending market. This is like falling market. In this falling market, unless the price closes above 21 SMA on this 2-minute chart, I will not dare take any long trades. Even then, I'll be very selective in taking long trades because everything is bearish. On every chart, things are bearish. So that's how we decide. I don't remember when I traded micros last, especially in live trading. In our life, I will do micros all the time, depending on the situation. But I don't remember when I traded micros last during live trading. Today is one of those days when I wouldn't like to trade at all, and if at all, I would trade only micros because of the high ATR. I would expect price to go up to this red line, 233 SMA, and then try to come down. And when it tries to come down, I will take some trades. Until then, I'm going to wait because price is, as I explained in the DNA market DNA, it has to go to this level. So your question would be why I'm not taking long trades when I know it could go up to this level. I could take actually, but I don't want to risk because I've made only $13. I don't want to risk $50, $60. It's all about risk management. I don't want to lose $50, $60 when I made only 13. So it could fall from here as well. It may not reach there. It could fall. If it falls, it could fall here, and I'll have to turn the scaling button on to average my position and come out, and that could give me a lot of grief because small fall could be $120 or something. So I don't want to risk anything. And the trades are coming with a risk factor 60 ticks, so not a good sign. Let's see what's happening in 2-minute chart. So I think market is returning from 21 SMA. I'm going to watch here further. Nope, it is going up. So once it bounces from here and gives me a red candle, I will think of taking short trades on the 15-minute chart. So on 2-minute chart, let's see the ATR. ATR is at 45 points. 45 points is like 180 ticks. On 15-second chart, ATR is at 17, which is like 68 ticks. Too huge. Each bar is like 68 ticks, which is like close to $325. Each candle $325. One candle against me, I'll lose $325 of NQ, not MNQ, NQ in terms of NQ I'm talking about. So see, market went. Any other day I would have taken the long trades, like 2-3 long trades. See these empty dots. Empty dots are long trades and default trades. I would have taken them, but today I'm resisting. I'm resisting, and I'm trying not to take any trades just because of this reason. Trust me, it could have been a highly profitable day if I had traded NQ in hindsight, but I've seen quite often that we make $400, $500, $600 very quickly, and then in one wrong trade we lose everything because market is so volatile. So it continues to go down, go up, and what do I do in this situation? So now market has moved above 21 SMA nicely. It's a nice close above. So I'll wait for one more candle and then decide. I'll try to understand the mood. So now, but it's coming down as well. So let's see what it's trying to do here. A nice close above 21 SMA on 2-minute chart means I could start taking long trades, but this is again, this red bar is negating all the gains by green bar. So I have to be watchful here again. So no free lunch today. And this is close to 233 SMA. So again, it's a narrow range. Narrow range or market condition number 4, and no trading zone here. So I need to wait again. All right, let me see if anyone has any questions. Any Q&A? No questions yet. So feel free to type in your questions. I'm trying to figure out what day will be, good a day to do this kind of live trading sessions. I want to have one set day so people kind of know in advance and join. Um, I suddenly decided last night that I could do a live session today because I was free. Uh, but which also means that some of you, especially my traders who want to see me trade live, uh, do not get to know in advance. So I'm trying to figure out a particular day, and once I have decided, I'll commit to it for a few months so that. Okay, I think now market is going to be on the upswing. So let me see once again on 2-minute chart. Okay, yeah. So I think I'll try to take some contrarian long trades. Straight contrarian flat moving average. So again, narrow state alert, flat moving average, use caution, trade contrarian. So we are still not in at a place where we can trade blindly. So again, the ATR has cooled down a bit to 14, but as I said, I want it below 12 to be comfortable. So market is pushing well, pushing up well. I think this is the best time to take trend trades, but I'm not taking because of, it's by and large down market and ATR is high. If I go long against the trend, it's not good thing. So one contrarian trade here. Ideally, this is good time to take default trades, but I am taking contrarian for the simple reason that I'm the price is hugging to 21 SMA. Um, so total 6 trades, $16. Not to no, there is nothing to brag about today except that 6 trades were profitable. All 6 trades were profitable. Any other day, this approach would have yielded us a couple of $100 with the Nasdaq. So now market is coming down. I turned off, taking trades because contrarian would have gotten me into a trade and the market is going against, would have gone against me. So how do I know that? Well, the simple reason is, this is market condition number 4, a narrow range. I don't try to be too aggressive in this range. One trade I take, 2 trades. If ATR was low, I would have taken more trades. I would have kept, both contrarian on for both long and short. But today is such a fast-moving day. I'm being very, very selective in my trades. The purpose of the software is to, free you up from decision making. You should not be thinking too much every trade. Uh, you need to evaluate your strategy every 4 to 5 trades, but not necessarily every trade. So that's the purpose of this software. But for for that to work, things have to align. Today, things are out of alignment. That's why I'm considering every trade, evaluating every trade before I take that trade. I hope that makes sense to some of you. So ATR continues to be at 14. We are half an hour into the session. The 21 SMA is kind of curving here. It has curved. It was nicely angled before. It was nicely angled here, but now it's curving. So when it's curving, not a great thing to see here. Angle has changed now. It was nice and steep. Here angle has changed. I would maybe move it out. So when this happens, I don't prefer taking default trades. Contrarian would be better. So if market pushes up and comes down, I could turn default trades on. All these white dots are that there could have been possible contrarian short trades. I could have taken those short trades. Some of them would have been profitable. I'm trading against the uptrend. Contrarian is that these red, the white dots are indicating that short trades were possible against the uptrending market. I did not take them, so it got skipped. And why I did not take it, because here on this 2-minute chart, I'm expecting that market will come up to this point, this red line. Now that it has closed above, I should be taking long trades, because I expect price to come to 233 SMA. So this is a good time to take trades. So let me see if I should. It's 100 and this is 14. So 85 points. So even if I take with one one MNQ, one contract of micros, I'll be risking 85 times to $170 if price falls all the way down here. Which and 21 SMA will act as a good support that time. So $170 of risk. So let me see if I want to take $170 of risk. Maybe I will turn as contrarian on. So one trade. So that was profitable. This is a profitable trade here. One more. So $19, one micro. This is an educational session, not a money-making session. So now this started to angle. So I would expect market to continue going up. But don't want to trade. So I might have shown in my training that to know the trend, I sometimes draw just these two lines. 21 SMA and let me turn off everything else. 21 SMMA, it's like a smooth moving average, SMMA 21. And if these two are like parallel, going parallel, it's great day for default trades. These two have to be parallel. So from here to here till, I would say, let me, so here there was a crossover. You would have realized that it has crossed somewhere here. From this point to this point, it was a very good time to take long trades. And we would have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades, very nice, profitable 6 trades we would have gotten. After that, it's like, coming below this blue line, going above, then coming below. So not a great place to take default trades. I would go contrarian in this kind of scenario. But here it's time to take contrarian so but this is what you have to be looking for, this kind of parallel lines. And here I would consider like market condition number 3 situation forming. Let me draw a box here. So this is market condition number 3 forming here. If you are, default, if you are a default strategy trader, you could avoid this condition. Don't trade in this condition, market condition number 3. If you're a contrarian trader, this is a great place. This is a great place to take contrarian trades, especially in the beginning of the formation of this rectangle. If this rectangle becomes too long, too elongated, you need to be careful about contrarian also. You can take one direction contrarian. Yeah, so as I was saying, market is moving towards 233 SMA on NASDAQ chart. here. So it's going to go up till here. So there have been a great long trading session, but we skipped all that today because ATR is still, it's in fact, it has gone up a little, 14.7 or something. So it has broken this consolidation and went above. Yeah, those who are new here, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. This video is going to be on our YouTube. There are some other live trading videos as well, um, where we have achieved better profits because we traded with NQ. So here it was a scratch day. We didn't barely made our minimum wage. I've been trading for close to 1 hour now, about 50 minutes, and made only $19. Um, yeah, minimum wage is like here, minimum wage is how much? $10 or whatever. So we made 19, maybe in a restaurant. If I was working in a restaurant with minimum wage and tips, I would have made $19. But uh, I guess that's what we get some days. All right, this was deliberate. It's not what market gave me. Market gave me opportunities. I did not take them because I today didn't want to trade. That's my choice. This is my choice. It's amazing. We can choose not to make money here. We can choose to make money. We can choose not to make money. And that's an important decision as a trader. We have to learn to make. Choose not to make money. Choose not to make money. So what I'm going to do is those who are, you know, I have the sim account here. It's a simulated account. It's not a real account. So I'm going to just take trades, default trades, uh, for those who are not satisfied with the small profit and the choice that we made that will remain small. I'm going to take trades with the default trade. Just this is educational. Last 10 minutes I have, so I wanted to show you some more like what software can do. I'm going to take some trades because so its target fell $35 here with the Nasdaq. I'm trading Nasdaq now. I'm not going to make any decision about ignore the fact that ATR is high. I'm just going to take trades because we are traders. We have to take trades. So sometimes, if not in the real money account, in simulated account. Not a great place for default trades, but let's see. So it has come below, so long trade's not going to work. So now a short trade got placed. Which was not the greatest of ideas, turns out to be. So I'm going to scale in, trying to come out of that trade. A scale in happened. Two scale-ins happened. And if the market is not going to go in my favor, I'm going to kill this. I'm going to stop. Okay, I stopped it. It's a huge loss. Guys, this when I stop it, it doesn't print the values, it just prints zero zeros because it's an abrupt decision. So it doesn't calculate uh, the values. So, but this is a huge loss. This is, guys, this explains the reason why I prefer not trading NASDAQ in this kind of ATR situation. So what I've been talking about for the last 45 minutes is this. If one wrong decision, here I was not making decisions. I explained that I was going to show you on SIM account how it's going to work. And it worked the way I was saying, don't take trades in this kind of market. And then it was like about $1,000 loss. This was $1,000 loss. If you had noticed the number, we can watch the video, rewind it and watch. It was a big loss. So and yeah, here it shows that maximum loss reached. So $1,300 was the limit, and that that has been incurred. So if we use it without a judgment, that's what will happen. Here you see market continues to go up, up, up. I thought here maybe it will make a turn, did not make a turn, and started to go up, incurred a loss. So that's why we choose not to make money some days. And that's okay to do. That's okay to do sometimes. So I want to take default trades now, but I'm getting a caution here that market stretched, which it is. It has stretched. The reason I say it stretched is, if you see, it's like a V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery. It's like market market came like this, came down, and market went up. It's a V-shaped recovery. So not the best time to trade. I think earlier this week I sent to my traders email where I posted, like, in V-shaped market, we should try and avoid trading. We could have been lucky and gotten our trades here, but because of the high ATR, we chose not to trade. And we saved our money. This is our real account, and we did not incur that loss. We incurred that loss in our in SIM account. So, and that was a deliberate action. And I stopped. In fact, say I had the aggressive button on, which kind of ignores the max loss. If I turned the aggressive button on, it ignores the max loss. So I manually pressed stop button to come out of the trade. And I was okay to take this loss. We need to be okay to take losses sometimes when we are wrong. We have to accept that we are wrong. And that's how we trade here in Sliver trades. So that's all for now. I think I'll call it a day. Later, for my own business, I might check the ATR if it is favorable. I will take some trades. Otherwise, I will go to beach. I will not trade today. So this is not what I like. This V-shaped market, because it can come down here. It could very well come down to this this level. I expect it to come down from here to here, or even lower. So let's see what happens. But that's all for today. Thank you for joining. If you have any questions, I will take those questions. I don't see any yet. So we are good. Thanks for joining. We'll catch up soon on another live trading session. Bye now.